Impilo abadala isiboshwa esagwetshwa iminyaka emihlanu emva kokutholakala sinecala inkantolo yase-East London. Kumanje lesiboshwa sisephalamende sigqugquzela ukuboshwa kwabantu bakuleli abalwa nama-illegal immigrants. Umbuzo-ke oseqhulwini uthi yini le ngaka eyenza uJulius Malema alwe kangaka nabantu abalwa nama-drug dealers. uJulius Malema izolo ubuze umongameli wezwe ukuthi badodakithi imina noma yini. Bafowethu uJulius Malema is elected to represent South African people in the national parliament, South African parliament, but he's advocating for foreign nationals. Malema is fighting people who are fighting people who entered this country illegally. Malema he's not fighting for drug dealers to be arrested, but instead he's fighting people who are fighting drug dealers to be arrested. Does it make sense, guys? Malema is with our tax money, taxpayers' money in the whole South African parliament. He is advocating for foreign nationals. Uthi akuboshwe abantu abathi akuboshwe noma abazama ukuxosha abantu abaphule umthetho oshawe kuleli parliament asebenza kulona. And he expects South African people to vote for them, to vote for him. Does that make sense, guys? Angazi noma imina noma kanjani. Malema is fighting people who are fighting drug dealers, people who are selling drugs to our children, exposing them to human trafficking. Malema is fighting people who are selling poisonous food to our children. Malema ulwa nabantu in our own country, guys. Silwa nabantu ababreke umthetho oshawe uyena lapha elokuzeni eParliament. Bafowethu, is it me noma mhlambe kanjani? Egcina yazi ama-fighters more especially ama-ground forces. Guys, iyona into eniyivotelayo lena. Bafowethu ngikhuluma nje nama-fighters ama-ground forces. La nihlala khona bafowethu, aren't you guys affected ngale ndaba yama-foreign nationals? Awukho umuzi ongenalo iphara, mali ingekho iphara lapho sinesihlobo esinephara, sinomndeni onephara. Iphara elakhiwa yibona labantu laba bokufika. Guys, uyabona Sixolise nansi lempungushi.
The level of violence perpetrated against African foreign nationals in this country over the past few months has a face. We know who the instigators and the perpetrators of this violent act are. Why have the perpetrators of this violence not been arrested and prosecuted? What is even worse, the two of them came to meet with you. You should have locked them up that day when they came to meet you.
Khona manjalo abantu base South Africa badinwe baganunwabu ile senzo sikaMalema sokuthi afune kuboshwe abantu abazama ukuvikela izwe labo. Nantu udaba.
To be arrested. He is fighting for South Africans who are fighting in their own country. He is in the South African parliament. He is being paid by taxpayers' money. He wants South Africans to vote for him, but is advocating or is fighting for foreign nationals in South African parliament. AfriForum, please do your job. I cannot wait to see this young man being arrested. I cannot wait to see this guy going to jail, really. Because if you talk about black to black, how can a black hate another black in South Africa? Because these guys, they have their own countries. It's not like they are coming from nowhere, they are aliens. They are coming from their own native countries. Their government failed. We have our own issues. What is it that you don't understand? What is difficult to understand from that?
Ake mbukeli asizibambe lapho ke zamanje uphinde uhlangabeze futhi kwezilandelayo. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi if you want to promote or advertise your business with us kwi-SA News, please dial the number on screen. Izindaba ze-SA News zicheme udede futhi zithatha uhlangothi. Thank you.